Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, when female get pregnant, she face many changes in her body. But after delivery of child, female's body structure gets shapeless. Friends, the time of pregnancy, female gets fat on her belly and after delivery it gets bulky. Along with this, female weight increases. So here I am sharing some effective yoga therapies to lose mummy tummy. Before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start. The first yoga therapy is bridge pose. For that, lie down on your mat comfortably. Make sure you are fully comfortable. Now bend your knees. Now with inhale, raise your lower body up and feel stretch on your tummy. Inhale. Stay here minimum 3 seconds. After that, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Feel the stretch here. This yoga therapy is very good for your pelvic region and it will lose your mama tummy. Stay here minimum 3 seconds and maximum as much as you can, and then with exhale come back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Minimum 10 times in a day you can practice it. Maximum as much as you can. Now release the posture. Now the second therapy is cobra pose. For that, lie down on your stomach. Make sure you are fully comfortable. Your palms near to your chest. Now raise your upper body up with inhale. Stay here as much as you can. Hold your breath. Minimum 15 seconds. Maximum as much as you can. Feel the stretch on your tummy area, on your spine, on your buttocks, and then exhale. Inhale. Stay here minimum 15 seconds. Exhale. Practice this yoga therapy minimum 10 times in a day, maximum 20 times or as much as you can. Exhale. One more time with me. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. After 10 times, slowly release the posture. Relax your whole body and come up and sit any crossed leg posture. So friends, do these yoga therapies regularly and get flat tummy. Namaste, take care and be connected.